Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel, and I especially welcome you to this video where we are going to dive deep into one of the most effective Forex strategies, the best 15-minute EMA strategy. So if you are tired of spending too much time analyzing charts or you want to catch quick market moves, then this strategy is for you. Okay, the 15-minute chart is a great time frame because it offers a balance between fast trades and clarity, avoiding the noise you might often find on shorter time frames. And when combined with the exponential moving average, that is the EMA, it becomes a powerful tool for identifying trends and making more accurate trades. First of all, let us talk about the 15-minute chart. All right. It's a time frame that many traders use for day trading or short-term trading. It allows you to catch quick price movements while still filtering out some of the noise present on even faster charts like the 1 minute or the 5 minutes. Okay. So now let us just discuss the exponential moving average. Let us discuss the exponential moving average. Let's start by adding the exponential moving averages that we are going to be using in this video, the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. All right. Now, the exponential moving average gives more weight to recent prices, making it more sensitive to price changes than the simple moving average or the SMA. This responsiveness makes it ideal for fast-paced strategies like the best 15-minute EMA strategy. We'll use these two key EMAs for this strategy. That's the 50 period EMA and the 200 period EMA. The 50 period EMA represents a short-term trend, while the 200 period EMA represents a longer-term trend. These two moving averages give you a solid indication of the overall market direction. Okay, to begin, you open your trading platform and apply the 50 period EMA and the 200 period EMA to your 15-minute chart. These two EMAs will be our guide in spotting trends. All right, these two EMAs will be our guide in spotting trends. So basically, when the 50 period EMA crosses above the 200 period EMA, this signals that the market is likely in an uptrend. This is a bullish signal, and it might be a good time to look for long or buy opportunities. Conversely, when the 50 period EMA crosses below the 200 period EMA, and the 50 period EMA crosses below the 200 period EMA, it signals a bearish trend, and you want to focus on short or sell opportunities. This crossover technique is the core of the best 15-minute EMA strategy and allows you to quickly determine the overall direction of the market. Now that we have set up our chart, let us talk about identifying the right entry signals. For a buy trade, you look for the 50 period EMA to cross above the 200 period EMA. This indicates that the market has shifted into an uptrend. All right, you wait for the price to stay above both EMAs for at least a few candles to confirm the trend. All right, so once it has been confirmed, once the trend has been confirmed, you can enter your buy position. All right, for a sell trade, you wait for the 50 period EMA to cross below the 200 period EMA, signaling the market is heading into a downtrend. You look for the price to stay below the two EMAs for confirmation. Just wait for some candles below the 50 and 200 period EMAs, for confirmation. Once confirmed, you can enter your sell position. Okay, these crossovers are your entry signals, but it's important to wait for confirmation before pulling the trigger. Avoid jumping in too early. Now, let us talk about exiting your trades. The exit point is just as important as your entry. All right, to manage risk effectively, set a stop loss just below the recent swing low for a buy trade, below the recent swing low for a buy trade, or above the recent swing high for a sell trade. All right. One of the simplest ways to determine your exit is by using a risk to reward ratio. Okay, if your stop loss is 20 pips, you aim for at least a 40 pip profit. All right. That is maintaining a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Okay. Additionally, you can exit the trade when the 50 period EMA crosses back below the 200 period EMA. That's for buy trades. Or when the 50 period EMA crosses back above the 200 period EMA, that is for a sell trade. All right. So it is left for you to decide if you want to use a predetermined, level, or if you want to use a fixed risk to reward ratio, or if you want to use an opposing signal to exit your trade. All right. So while the best 15-minute EMA strategy can be effective on its own, you can also combine it with other indicators like the RSI or the MACD. Yes, you can actually decide to combine it with RSI or the MACD to increase your accuracy. For example, if the RSI is showing overbought conditions, when you get a sell signal from the EMAs, it actually strengthens the likelihood of a successful trade. All right. So that wraps up our best 15-minute EMA strategy. This strategy is straightforward and easy to follow, but it can be incredibly effective when used correctly. By combining the 50 period EMA and the 200 period EMA, the 50 and the 200 period EMAs, you can easily spot trends, enter trade with confidence, and manage risk effectively. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more strategies like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights. All right. Thank you for watching and happy trading.